Last time on Medical Emergency, two vehicles collided head-on and burst into flames.
So the major trauma to the face, I think his airway's actually okay. Let's just have that off for a sec.
John, the more critical of the two, was airlifted to the Alfred immediately. Within an hour of arriving at the Alfred, John is taken to theatre where two teams will work on him at once. A plastics team on his face and an orthopaedic team on his leg. Car crash victim John is in surgery. Plastic surgeons will repair his face, but first orthopaedic surgeons will work on his broken leg. At the other end of the table, the plastics team have a far more delicate job. They have the task of rebuilding John's nose.
The nose is made of skeletal structure, which lucky that his bone is intact. And it's got three layers: the skin on the outside, cartilage in the middle, and on the inside what we call it the mucosa. So Michael is suturing the nose in three layers and putting the inner layer together with the dissolving stitches, and then puts the cartilage together and then the skin on the outside, and it's going beautiful.
How much facial scarring John will be left with all comes down to the skill of the plastic surgeons. John will find out how well it went when the bandages come off in a few days' time. Car crash victim John is recovering from surgery on his nose and leg. He's had time to reflect on the accident that nearly took his life.
That's very quick, very quick. Saw the car, thought I can get out of the road. By the time I even thought that, it hit me. And next thing I knew, I was upside down, very surreal. Sitting in the cabin with flames around me. That was his truck, that was me. That's where they dragged me away.
Passing motorists used a tow rope to pull the vehicles apart.
I can remember this guy, Trevor Oliver. I have to thank him for my life. Oh, he's ripped the windscreen out and managed to tow the car away from the other car so my car wouldn't catch on fire as well. Oh, I can't believe, like within seconds, someone that adequate.
Without the quick thinking of a good Samaritan, John and Tony would have been burnt alive.
Just lucky. Thanks for all those who helped. And it made sure I'm still here today.
After 4 days in hospital, John went home to his wife and kids. 2 weeks later, John returned for a checkup. He's yet to have his front teeth replaced, but his nose has healed remarkably.
Oh my goodness, I know I recognise the face.
While at the hospital, John had a surprise meeting.
How are you, mate?
I'm very well. You're looking a bit better.
Were you on my right-hand side?
Fergus was on one side,
Yep.
and I kept peering in through the windscreen.
Good work, mate.
Oh, well.
Trevor is one of the three heroes who dragged the burning cars apart. Without a doubt, he saved John and Tony's lives.
Yeah. Oh, look, I just can't believe it. It is unbelievable to walk in here today and just see. I mean, I didn't really know what to expect, but I mean, I'm just so glad that you're sitting there with a smile on your face, which is...
yeah, toothless smile, but...
Yeah. You need to go and buy a ticket in Tats Lotto.
I did.
Or you've used all your bloody luck.
Yeah, right. I haven't checked the numbers yet, so good to see, mate.
Yeah, good to see you.
Unfortunately, the lottery ticket John had bought didn't win. It turns out he'd used up his luck. Brian recovered from his first heart attack, but another heart attack is always a possibility. And next time, he may not be as lucky. Office worker Raylene remained in plaster for 6 weeks. She said that the next time she's moving files, she'll take the lift and not the stairs. And Tony, the other victim of the head-on collision, needs skin grafts on his badly burnt legs. How doctors treat his burns and whether he'll regain full use of his legs, next time on Medical Emergency.